Hi everyone, welcome back to my daily vlog. It's me, Joslyn, and I hope you guys doing very well. So today we decided to go this amazing waterfall. Waterfall ko naam चाहिँ Mohini Jharna ho. So here comes some personal pathal. So bato र sky हेर्नुस् न यस्तो clear थियो, so why not? So finally, waterfall was so big and it was so OMG. So it was a bit chilly at first, but it felt amazing after all. Waterfall हेर्नुस् न भ्यू नै कत्रो ठुलो छ, म हेर्नु न मलाई यस्तो सानो देखिन्छ. So yeah, डर त मलाई पनि लागिरहेको थियो स्नेक आउँछ कि भनेर, बिकज युजली यु नो नेचर एरियामा वाटरफल एरियामा झन् स्नेक हुन्छ कि भनेर सोचेको थिएँ. थ्याङ्क गड स्नेक चाहिँ आएन. So yeah, we spent about 2 hours just soaking in the beautiful, relaxing waterfall before we started getting actually cold. So overall, our trip to Mohini Jharna was absolutely amazing. Yeah, thanks for coming along with this on this little adventure. That's all for today, guys. Bye.